Hi, in this English grammar lessons series of parts of speech, we'll focus on interjections. You will learn what are interjections, then types of interjections with examples. Let's get started. Interjections are the words or phrases used to show our emotions or sentiments. They are grammatically independent from the words around them. Usually, they are placed in the beginning of the sentence. An exclamation mark or comma is used with them. Actually, an interjection is a brief pause in the speech to express emotions. Some examples are, wow, what a lovely scenery. Oops, I spilled my tea. Hurrah, we have won the match. Here, the words wow, oops, and hurrah are interjections. Look at the types of interjections. These are interjections for greetings, interjections for joy, for attention, for approval, for surprise, for sorrow, for disgust, for relief, for panic, for doubt, and for anger. Interjections for greeting. They are used to indicate the emotions of warmth to the person meeting with. Some interjections of greeting are hi, hello, hey. While meeting someone, you can say hi, how are you? Or you can introduce yourself by saying hello, I am Sonal. Or you can say hey, where are you going? Interjections for joy. They are used to indicate immediate joy or happiness. Some of them are wow, hurrah, yahoo, yippee. We can express our joy by saying yahoo, I have won the lottery. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Hurrah, we have won the series. Good, now we can celebrate. In the last sentence, we have used good, which is an adjective. Sometimes, such words are also used as interjections. Interjections for attention. They are used to draw attention. Some of them are listen, look, behold, shh. One can draw someone's attention by saying, listen, I am saying something else. Look, whom she is talking to. Behold, the scenery is so beautiful. Shh, listen to him. Interjections for approval. They are used to express strong sense of approval or agreement. Some interjections for approval are well done, brilliant, bravo. Examples are well done, you win the competition. Bravo, you stood first in the race. Brilliant, you scored 95% in the exams. Interjections for surprise. They are used to express a strong sense of surprise. Some of them are what, ah, oh, eek, gee. Some examples are oh, you are here? What? He is no more? Gee, that looks great. Eek, a rat in the kitchen. She got A+ in exams, really? In the last sentence, really, which is an interjection, is used at the end of the sentence. In this way, sometimes interjections can also be used at other places in the sentence rather than in the beginning. Interjections for sorrow. They are used to express the emotions of sadness. Some interjections for sorrow are ouch, oh, alas, ah. Examples are ouch, it hurts. Alas, he broke his shoulder. Oops, sorry, I didn't see that glass. Interjections for disgust. They are used to express feelings of disgust or disapproval. Some of them are yuck, ew, ugh, phew. Examples are yuck, this food tastes very bad. Ugh, I can't stand his stupidity. Phew, it's too hot. Ew, that's disgusting. Interjections for relief. They are used to express relief or removal of distress. Some interjections for relief are ah, phew, phew, oof. Examples are phew, I can't believe that we have actually done it. Phew, I'm glad that's over. Ah, the bathtub is relaxing. Interjections for panic. They are used for anxiety or panic situations. They include help, ah, uh. Examples are help, I am about to fall. Ah, I hurt my nose. That bull is running to us. Interjections for doubt. They are used to express doubt or hesitation. Actually, they are not words, they are sounds. Some of them are Examples are I'm not sure about the date. Well, I don't know what to say. The capital of India is Delhi. Interjections for anger. They are used to express anger, annoyance, and frustration. They include ugh, g, ah, boo, Examples are ugh, I want you not to go there. Grr, what an irresponsible behavior. Boo, get up from the ground. Ugh, you broke down the car. That's all for this lesson. In case of any difficulty in this lesson, you can ask in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.